Hello everyone. Okay, in the last class we discussed what are factors and how we can find the factors of a particular given number, and how if we want to check if the number is a factor of another number or not, we have discussed in the previous video. Today we will see what is a prime factorization and how it is done in the tree method and in the division method. We'll see this. So, prime factorization. Before going to discuss this, we'll discuss what are prime numbers. What are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. So, a prime number is a natural number greater than 1. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 which has only two different factors, namely 1 and the number itself. So a prime number is a natural number greater than 1 which has only two different factors, namely 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. So 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number and it does not have any two different factors. So composite numbers means, so the numbers that have more than two factors. Numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For examples, all the factors of 6. So all the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. All the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Similarly, all the factors of I can go with 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So here, since each of the numbers 6, 8 and 9 have more than two factors, so these 6 and 8 and 9 have more than two factors, so they are called composite numbers. So the numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Since here 6 and 8 and 9 have more than two factors, so these are called composite numbers. So this is about prime numbers and composite numbers. Let's see what is prime factorization method. Prime factorization. So there are several ways in which a given number can be factorized, broken into its factors. For example, I take an example, number, for example, the number 60. I'll take 60. 60 can be factorized as, so 60 can be factorized as 1 into 60 is 60. Still 60, 2 30s are, you'll get 60. Okay, 4 15s are, you'll get 60. Still in 12 table, 5 12s are or 12 5s are, you'll get 60. 6 10s are is 60. So here we see that in all these cases, either one factor is prime and the other is composite. Either one factor is prime and the other is composite. So it is possible to break 60 into two factors. It is possible to break 60 into factors which are all prime numbers. Let's say 60 is equals to 2 into 30, right? This 30 can be written as 2 into 2 15s are, it is 30, right? Still 15 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 5s are 15. So these are all, sorry, here these are all prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are all prime numbers. And the factorization of this type, where all the factors are prime numbers, is called prime factorization. The factorization of the type where all the factors are prime numbers is called prime factorization. Let's see how it is done by a factor tree. Prime factorization by factor tree. So this can be best distributed by a factor tree as under 60. Like same example, I'll take 60. So this 60 can be written as 2 into 30. Then 30 can be written as 3 into 10. And this 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Right? So here 60 is equals to, you will get 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay. Another example, same 60 I'll write here. 60. Still you can written as 3 20s are 60. 20 can be written as 2 10s are 20, and 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. So 60 equals to, here you got 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Still you will get, right, 60 can be written as 4 15s are, and 4 can be written as still 2 into 2, and 15 can be written as 3 5s are 15. Like 60 can be written as 5 12s are, and 12 3 4s are, and 4 you will get 2 2s are. Still 60 can be written as 6 10s are, 6 can be written as 2 3s are, and 10 can be written as 2 5s are. So here the factors is 60 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. See, I'll cross here. Here 60 can be written as 5 3 2 and 2, and here 60 is equals to 3 into 2 into 5. So by saying this, whichever way the factorization is done, so different types of factorization is done here. Here is a different method, here the multiplication is different. So every multiplication is here different. So whichever the way the factorization is done, whichever way the factorization is done, you can see that the prime factors are, the same. The prime factors are the same. By convention, the prime factors are listed from the least to greatest. Thus, 2 into 2. So all are same. You can see here all numbers are same. So I am writing here these prime factors are listed from least to greatest. So 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 5. So this is the prime factorization of 60. So this is how the prime factorization is done by tree method. Take another example like 48. Do the same process how the prime factorization is done by factor tree method. Do the same process and write the prime factorization of this given number by a factor by making the factor trees. So this is for you homework. So the next topic is prime factorization by division method. So prime factors can also be obtained by short division method, which as shown here. See, I'll take an example 36. So 2 18s are 36. Still it goes with 2 9s are. So it cannot be gone by 9. Then take 3. 3 3s are 9. Then further it is 3 1s are 3. So 36 equals to, you will get 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 3. So the steps to be followed in this method can be summarized as there are 3 steps. The first step is divide the given number by smallest prime number that can be exactly divides it. The first step is divide the given number. So this is the given number. So you have to divide by the smallest prime number that exactly divides it. The second step is divide the quotient further by a prime number that exactly divides it. And the third step is continue the repeated division till the remainder is not further divisible by any other number. So you have to continue this division till the remainder is not further divisible by any other number. So this is the prime factorization by a division method. You can take another example like 84. Do the same process and you can write what are the factors of this particular number. So this is about prime factorization, and it is done by how it is done by factored tree method and how it is done by division method. So in the next session we'll see what are multiples. The chapter is here, factors and multiples. Factors is completed, the basics of factors chapter, and we'll see what are multiples.